just grate the black pepper into the salt and mix it a little bit. I make cuts on the fish so that the pepper and salt can enter inside the flesh of the fish. Just like that, I will rub it on and in the inside so that the fish can get that flavor and better taste. It's never good to add more ingredients in the fish because the fish has its own taste already and we want it to taste like fish. Let fish taste like fish and smell like fish. So done here. And I will clip it together just to hold it so that together so that it can fit into the frying pan. Guys, I hope that you are all doing fine. It's been quite a while, but we are here again. No worries. So here we are with cooking oil, and at this point I'm gonna dip it in, and I'm making sure that the oil is not so hot because we don't want it to rise and spread everywhere. It will get hot anyway and roast it. And turn it brown. Oh my goodness. Yup. Guys, the mackerel fish looks like it has a weird skin. It looks like a snake. It's very, very well designed. The colors are also okay. I guess for the people who like eating snakes, they can use it as a substitute. Weird. Oh my goodness. So I want to check whether it's turning brown under. Yeah, it is. See, it is. Okay. See that? So I'm going to boil the zucchini, and I'm cutting it and putting it into this pot. Now we'll just boil it without anything because we also want its taste to stay there. No salt, no nothing. It has a wonderful taste actually. So the fish is out now. See? So I get to chop these onions, the spring onions. I love them. There. And the grape tomatoes. I will just cut the tops off tops. Yep. Tops or bottoms, whatever you like to call it. Slice them in the middle, just like that. Like that. There. And slice this lemon. So I will sprinkle in very little oil, just from the fish oil, and add in the spring onions. I was just not in the mood to rush you guys today, so I'm just speaking slowly so that everything moves well. I'm not running anywhere. So I add in the tomatoes, and I'm only roasting them a bit just to add a little taste. There is a taste that is really nice, and that's why I just roasted them a little bit. No browning, just a little bit, with pepper and salt. Mwah. This combination tastes really nice because the tomatoes still stick with their juice, and when you bite on them, you know what I mean. So I will put them off, and here it is. Thank you guys for watching. As you can see, it looks very tasty. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Ciao.